What do we do when we fall? Get up, rebuild, come back stronger.
5, 3,
This is my shop. I'll show you around a bit of projects I do. I started this place because it was a passion. I did this in the past a lot for just a pastime. My girlfriend just told me to quit my job and go do it, so here's the place. Got the 4G63 here, which is eventually going to go in my Miata. It's a built engine with Seco pistons, Eagle rods, ARPS studs. It's got everything to run to 500-600 HP. Here we got the projects we're doing for one of our customers. His name is Charles. We're putting PT5858, MazWorks manifold, tile 44mm V-band, NDR, a vibrant catch can. We did the oil-fed relocator or Kura Mishimoto on it. Downpipe ply cut because it's way more difficult. I'm doing maintenance since it's been running like shit for the past 2-3 events. It's a Hyundai Genesis 2-liter turbo, 2010, so it's a first gen. Bought the thing 2 years ago, like 3 years ago. I bought it crashed from a tow truck guy. It was bent in the front, bent in the back, straightened it up a bit on the frame machine that I did with my pickup truck too. I did no mods on it at all for 2 years. I drifted it to stock, stock suspension, stock wheels, stock everything. I just stripped it. Then I had to change the radiator, so I put the Mishimoto radiator on, the vibrant intercooler on. Since mine broke, I did the piping too, because mine broke. Everything I changed on the car is because it broke before. It's bolt stock. I've been drifting it for 2 years, changing oil once a year. I also threw some pop-ups on it because I love pop-ups. This thing ever bought? Base model too. I don't even have rubber brakes or shit. It's
Oh, hey.
What am I gonna do?
All right.
Remind them of that thing, but we go get it.
Hey, at least once it's in, you can just pull the roof off and finish the welds.
Yeah. Well, this for the rest of the side work.
You gonna do full cage or just a half?
Just a half page.
Just a half.
It's gonna be welded though.
Oh, come on, man.
It's still my daily driver, as of right now. I have no car if I don't make this run today. I literally have no car.
Weight reduction
All in the bottom of the car.
makes up for having all the cage in there now. Weight reduction.
Yes. Oh, bro, that installation is stuck there. Yeah, the cluster says 64, but I drove it since 2 months on 64. Yeah.
Wow. No
Yeah.
kidding.
Yeah, this thing is legit.
Bro.
The guy fucked it. There you go. This one better like that? No, I like it.
Now that we're up to speed, we can move forward. Every fail is a lesson learned. Every crash is a new technique developed. Every broken part becomes a better design. We break down, we rebuild, and we keep going. We build it better, we build it stronger. A faster, more reliable car. Designed and tuned to do exactly what it's supposed to do.